You know, guys, the secret to a perfect life is easier than we think it is. And this one is going to make a lot of people perhaps pretty mad. And it really took me a really long time to figure this out. But having a perfect life is simple. All you have to do is to accept that you cannot have a perfect life because perfection just does not exist. So, how does that make you feel? If you feel triggered, ask yourself why being perfect is so important to you. Why does self acceptance, just loving yourself and accepting yourself and your life just as you are, why does this idea threaten your peace of mind so much? Why is admitting that there are some things that you cannot and will never be able to do? Why is this such a difficult thing to wrap your mind around? Those are very serious questions, and answering them is a happy, realistic pursuit of what you can and cannot do. And you've got to ask yourself, why is that a threatening feeling if this triggers you? So I love you just so. Like and follow for more tips and tricks about how to ensure your life is amazing every single day. Love ya. Have a good one.